Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox website is not opening up in your browser. If roblox.com is not loading in your browser, then you're in the best video. So in this video I'll be showing you 5 steps to fix your problem. One of the first step is to delete roblox.com cache file in your browser. Just click on 3 dot and go to settings. And then here you have to go into privacy and security. Click on third party cookies. Click on see all site data and permissions. And here you'll have to find roblox.com. If you're not able to find it, just search for it right over here, roblox.com. Then you have to click on this delete icon. Click on delete again. Now you're all done. Now this is the first step. Then go back to roblox.com. Click on reload. And then you will be able to open your website. If that didn't work, then proceed to the next step. And the next step is to give necessary permission to the Roblox website. To do that, just click on this icon right over here. Click on site setting. And make sure that all the permissions are allowed right over here. If anything is not allowed in right over here, just click on it like JavaScript and click on the allow button. Follow the third step, which is changing the DNS in your browser. Just click on 3 dots and go to settings. And then here click on privacy and security. Click on security and then scroll down a little bit. And here you will find use secure DNS. Make sure it is turned on. Just click on it to turn it on. And here select DNS provider. Select Cloudflare. Once you have selected Cloudflare, then you're all done. For the third step, just go to the roblox.com, then click on refresh. Now this time you will be able to fix your problem. The fourth step is to install a VPN in our browser. To do that, click on new tab, then search for Chrome Web Store. Click the first link, and then here search for the Touch VPN. Search for it, click on Touch VPN, click on add to Chrome, add extension. And once you have installed the Touch VPN, click on this extension icon. Click on Touch VPN and then click on connect. And then once you're done connecting to the server, just go to roblox.com and then click on refresh. So now I hope that your problem is solved. But if your problem is not solved after applying all the 4 steps as shown in this video, then you have to follow the last step, which is installing a browser. Just go to Google and search for the Brave browser. It is one of the best browser available in the market to install in your computer. Just go ahead and click the brave.com and then click the download button and download the file. After downloading it, install it and then search for the Roblox, and then you will be able to open your website. But make sure to follow the 4 steps as shown in this video before. Apply all the 4 steps in the new browser. So hope you guys found this quick video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.